We're going to use dataset NLSW88 from STATA. If you want to pull it up, this is the syntax. So we're going to create a logistic model, and our endpoint of interest is going to be if someone earns greater than or equal to $8 an hour. The reason why I say that is our point of interest because it is coded as 1 in this binary variable. So whatever is coded 1 is the point of interest in the logistic model, and in order to be the point of interest, the variable must be coded 0 and 1. So back to our logistic model, the first variable after logistic is going to be your y variable, and anything following that are your x variables. So for simplicity, we're just going to use 3 variables: union, industry, and hours worked. The I dot tells data that we're dealing with a categorical variable, and the C dot tells data that we're dealing with a continuous variable. In this case, union is a binary variable, so including the I dot is optional. So running this, we get this model. So the last thing I wanted to talk about is setting the reference for a categorical variable like industry. So if we look at how industry is coded in STATA, the first category is generally the reference. Before changing the reference, let's first look at the distribution of industry and wages. It seems like for our entire sample, about 65% earn less than $8, while 34.8% earn greater than $8. And the closest resembling to this seems to be professional services. And it has the highest number of patients. So let's use that as our baseline. So how would we code that? Logistic, wage 8, I dot union, and IB in parentheses. This is 11. This is the coded 11 because codebook industry. Yes, so professional services is coded as 11. So IB 11 industry and hours. So now professional services serves as our baseline, and we're comparing these industries to professional services. I hope that helped, especially if you're a beginner in STATA.